Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam, working as an assistant professor in Automation Department at SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the SNS Roadmap. Before we are entering into the SNS Roadmap, we have to see SNS stands for Sincerity, Nobility and Service. And our tagline is to redesign the common mindset and business towards excellence. Our vision is to build entrepreneurs through design thinking. And our mission is to have 1,000 startups in 5 years. So in this SS roadmap, we see about the foundation, framework and culture, and growth and innovation and excellence creation. We see in our classes, we take classes in the process of design thinking itself. So design thinking comprises of empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Empathize or empathy says whatever problems we are going to take it. So on this problem we have different types of solutions. The different types of solutions is known as define. In that we take any one of the type of solution and we implement it, and we see there is the ideate, and finally we get the results for it, which is we frame our work itself, whichever solution we are taking it, and we are giving as a prototype. Finally, this has been implemented as well as testing. If testing fails, then again we go to the define. The same solution, there are the same problem, but there are different solutions. We go for the another solution itself. We take the other solution from the define, and for that solution, we do the process works. And finally, we frame it as a prototype. We go for testing till it comes a successful. And we are also implementing the 5 pillars. Also CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching, and CFC, Center for Creativity, and SED, Skill and Career Development, IIPC, Industry Institute Partnership Cell, and SRI, the Social Responsibility Initiative. These are 5 pillars in our college for the students having the different types of learning itself. And now we come to the SNS roadmap also. In the roadmap, we see about the foundation course. First is the foundation. The foundation we have say chavos and challenges, which gives you the whatever typical of challenge we are taking it there, and how can you able to overcome the challenges, and what are the methods are there. And next comes the common map and business. So the common, we are changing our, as per tagline, we are redesigning the common mindset and business for an excellence, towards excellence. And we say about the design printing also. Design thinking. In the design thinking I say, we are having the empathy, define, ideate and prototype and testing, which has been already as informed to you. And next, we have a roadmap as the framework and culture. Whatever we do the foundation is the base, is the basement itself. So after the basement, we do have to do the framework and culture for our learning and becoming as an entrepreneurs. So the framework and culture, the first one is the 3P. That's the 3P culture. We do everything for everything is as a purpose. Whatever we do, we must have the purpose on it. Purpose, and whatever purpose we are doing it must have some process, some frameworks, some steps, how to have the solutions or how to have the steps to achieve the goals. And all these things we are doing for our people only. So 3P comes upon the purpose, process and people. And next comes a 3C. 3C is a 3C framework is known as a attitude. 3C framework is attitude, skills, and knowledge. So, whatever being the attitude of the students or the customers, and we develop their skills by getting their knowledge itself. This is 3C frameworks. And next comes the 5 pillars. The 5 pillars we see about the CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching. Whatever we learn also, we must have going on teaching as well. So once we learn it, we teach, we memorize it, and we can learn new things also. And whatever we learn, the second pillar comes to creativity. We create it to some extent such that people can able to understand it. And be as a skill in our career itself. So learning and teaching to many people. Whatever we teach it, we are building as a creativity, and we become as a skill and the career development. This all comments for the industry institute partnership cell itself. So we combine with the industry institute whatever today's needs, and according to that we teach our students in our institute, so that we have a partnership cell. In spite of having selfish self, we do some social responsibility initiative also in the common circle. So this all comes on the framework and culture. Finally, in framework culture, we see about the spine, which has a healthcare self. And next one is the growth and the innovation. So the growth and innovation, we see about the innovation of 7 plus 7. That is 7 technology plus 7 industries. Whatever we are learning and whatever we are doing it, whatever we are learning, whatever we are teaching it, everything comes under the technology itself. That is 7 technologies combines of IoT, that is Internet of Things. Today in the generic systems, we all go for Internet itself. What are we getting from the Internet? And we accept it for this, and we have to search for it. So Internet of Things, and next one comes the robotics and automations. All comes under the automation itself. So pick and place, starting from the robotics, pick and place onwards, for every item we do automations. And whatever we do it must comes under the 3D printing or additive manufacturing. So this 3D printing is a printing of material by using of 3D machines. And the fourth technology is data science and AI/ML. Advanced industry and machine learning. Artificial intelligence in machine learning. And the other next is low code development. The codings will be teach here. Then comes the AR, VR and metaverse. Finally it comes to the communication and the growth. This is known as 7 technologies. And we see about the 7 industries. Whatever you are learning and whatever the engineering, all comes under the 7 industries, 7 innovation industries. First comes automobile, aerospace and agriculture and food technology, the industries. And also we see power or energy. And next industry is smart city and manufacturing. And finally comes for the healthcare. We must take our health as a health, take care of our health itself. And finally, the industry comes in retail or real estates. This all comes under the growth and innovation itself. And we see about the also we give some experience to the Center for the Excellence as well as the certified talents who are will be having the certified certification itself. Finally comes out to the excellence and creations. Whatever we do it, whatever we done it, we will be rewarded there. So this excellence creations, we started first we see about the smart OKR goals. OKRs are the objective key roles. So whatever we are doing, we must have as a goal itself, such that we can able to We can able to do it in a timely purpose as well as there are some objectives there. And excellence. In this we have our excellence result and we can able to show our excellence here. Our main mission is to have 1,000 AI startups within next 5 years. So these all comes under the excellence and creations. Finally comes over the growth mindset. So our according to our tactic, redesigning the common mindset and business towards excellence. As well as we are making our students as entrepreneurs through design thinking. And with this, we come to the end of the session of the SNS Roadmap. Thank you.